Alright, we're gonna see if we can bring some life back to these mats. They've been sitting in the car for years. They're dirty, so see what we can do. Now that they're all cleaned up, pressure washed, we're gonna set them out to dry. I'm gonna put them over here in the sun. I put them on those things to dry out, so they can dry out easier in the sun, and fold it over so the water drips all out, dries quicker. So we'll get back to those. Let's do something else on the BMW. Alright, so now we're gonna swap out the hood vent. Mine is all cracked and beat up. Picked up a new one. So this one's gonna go in the garbage. It's already breaking. So basically you're gonna pop it out and then flip this around. You wanna disconnect all this here in order to put on to get the windshield washer squirters. So we're gonna pop these out. These just unplug. Just got to get a small screwdriver, unplug them. Well, that broke right off, but that's not how you do it. This one is brittle and broken, as you can see. I don't even have to do anything for that one, but you can see, pull off disconnect from the washer, and then we're gonna put our connection here. We're gonna disconnect from here, or actually, let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna disconnect from here. We'll get a small screwdriver. Basically, you're gonna disconnect that, disconnect there, disconnect this, and pull this out. This is for your washer fluid. Alright, got that out. Gonna do the same on this here. Gonna pull this plug right here. Just a plug, that's all. Then we're gonna fish this through the new. Pop that in. Fish this one through. Pop this in. Now we can reconnect everything. There, and our hose, and now we can reconnect this side, which our hose connects right. Oh, where does it connect? Okay, this connects. I'm short, damn it. I'm gonna have to swing around that way. Let's flip this around that side. Let's see what I'm doing here. See. This side, this connection. Flip this over. Reconnect here. And this here is going to spin around. I put them in backwards. Awesome. There you go, spun around. Make sure you face the squirting part towards the windshield. So I just put them in backwards. Now this is going to connect to that hose. Let's flip that one around. Reconnect this hose. All right. Now we can just pop this back in. there's a little clip that needs to fall in right there. So it's not lining up perfectly. Let's see here. See if this, oh, there it goes. So you gotta kind of slide it in that way, and then you can here we go, and we're in. Perfect. You see that there? Nice and clean. We got a new hood venting. So there you go. That was pretty simple and easy. As you can see, makes a big difference. Cleans up the whole hood. Don't have a big old mess there anymore. Looks nice and clean. Cleans it up. So that's going to be it for today's video. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.